Snow, 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 snow. It won't be long before we'll all be there with snow.
Storm is headed into town. Blizzard warnings are now in effect for areas around Tulsa to the north, to the northeast as well. And we're looking at increasing chance of light rain, light freezing rain, and freezing drizzles. We go through the later evening hours here around at 9 o'clock to midnight. After that, it'll change over to sleet and then heavy snow by morning. That snow will be heavy off and on throughout the morning and midday hours. Winds will be picking up out of the north at 15 to 30 miles per hour, gusting to 40. Therefore, the blizzard warning is in effect. Total snowfall accumulations are expected to be in the record territory of 12 to 18 inches across much of northeast Oklahoma. It should paralyze most of the roadways, unfortunately, as we're looking at blowing and drifting snow through late afternoon into tomorrow night. Bitter cold on Wednesday with variable cloudiness, a few snow flurries, and temperatures around 12 for a high. From the News on 6, I'm meteorologist Travis Meyer. FM 740 and FM 102.3. News Talk, KRMG.
Snow, to see a mountain covered with a quilt of snow. What is Christmas?
Hypothermia, always a concern when it's this cold. Let's just reflect a little bit on the snow. The snow's over, but it's snow done falling anyway. But let's take a look at the total accumulations we've had. Owasso, just east of Owasso, about 21 inches. 20 inches in Claremore, 20 inches at Miami. 17 in Hominy, 17 in Pawhuska, 16 in Skiatook, 15 inches in Broken Arrow, and just 14 inches here in Tulsa. Our next Storm Center report coming up in less than 15 minutes or earlier if conditions warrant. I'm Glenn Schroeder, AM 740 and FM 102.3. News Talk, KRMG. Depend on it.
Snow, snow, snow.